So this is a 2004 Toyota Tacoma. So problem with this, it has a strip bolt right there. So for the front differential. So that's the bolt. So what I did is I used a chisel and chisel it. Yes. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's chisel it. I restarted it. And then, there you go. Oopsie. I already chiseled it a while ago. It's already loose. Just wanna show you how to do it. Okay. Alright. And that's the strip fuel plug. Drain plug. Okay, off. So fuel plug is over there behind the CB axle. Right there. So let's remove that. We're using number 10 Allen socket. So number 10 Allen socket. Actually, this is already loose. So the owner already loosened this, but when they tried to loosen the one on the drain plug, they strip it. There you go. But if you do this first time, you should do this first, the fuel plug. So that's the fuel plug. There's no washer. There is. There's a washer in there. Okay. So fuel plug is smaller. Drain plug is bigger. Alright. Off. Then make sure car is level. So we already pulled down the jack, so now it's level. Let it drain for a few minutes. Let's install the new drain plug.
Kamu kaya kata. Taruh bang. Orang sama saya dibag. Oh, pakai lu dah dia, lu kan dah dia.
Alright. Then
Okay.
Okay. Alright, that's good enough. And alright. Good.
Today ko ito lang niya natin nagsukatan.
Okay, so this is our setup. So this is the hose going to the pump, 12 volts pump, and this hose goes to here. We're using 75W90. Then we will put 12 volts and let's pump it. Alright, game.
Wait.
Ay, pandahan ta gilugan. Lobat.
Start.
Let's do this. Alright. Let's put 12 volts.
Okay. Natin yung mukot ko na pang. Ang gamantik ka na. Ang mukot na pang.
Alright. Alright.
Empty one.
One down. Another one.
Okay.
Second bottle. Oops. Empty. Third one. So we'll fill until it will drips and then we stop. Alright. Third one. Uh-oh, it's dripping. That's it. It's dripping now. Okay, it's dripping. Alright. Alright, that's good.
Pambupay lang. Ano may kapito? Basta. Nag-drive ka talaga.
Let's pump it. So nice one. I'm pumping it so that our hose will become empty. Okay, that's it.
Great.
Done. That's it. Done. Alright, I just want to show you. So there's the fuel plug stripping right there. So let's wait until nothing is stripping, and then let's put back the plug, and that's it. We're done. Alright, so both plug is in, fuel plug and drain plug. Alright, that's it. That's how you replace front differential for 2004 Toyota Tacoma.